The challenge with this home was that how Minimalist was able to change the layout of the place to fit my lifestyle. I did not want to stick to the condo default interior. I like the interior to have a clean, soothing feel. I also want to feel relaxed after a long day at work. When I come home, I'm glad to have a well-designed kitchen which Minimalist has maximized the space from floor to ceiling. I also love the kitchen island. Not only it is used for my social gatherings, but also it is multifunctional to add in my washer as part of it. Although the living room and kitchen are close by, the design has segmented the respective spaces very well. The hanging bar from the ceiling is also a great way to display my favorite bottles of spirits while keeping them within easy reach. This is my living room. There is a mixture of Nordic Scandi elements, and here's where I have the bay window and a matte black TV featured wall which has a nice contrast to the surroundings. Adjacent to the TV wall is the glass paneled pocket door that opens up to my bedroom. The highlight of the bedroom is the raised bed frame that comes with a short flight of stairs, and I really love the bed storage drawers. During my free time, I like to read or journal down my thoughts. The bedroom looks open, spacious, and cozy. I also need an area for my workout, and I really love this dedicated gym space. The design allows more natural light into the room because one of the walls was demolished to bring in the natural light deep into the space. The added glass and mirrors have made the entire gym area looks bigger and spacious. I think the biggest improvement is really the amount of natural light and space I have now. It is excellent. I enjoy hosting my friends every weekend, especially with my girlfriends, like how we could catch up over wine in a comfortable place. This home really has been designed suitably to cater well fitting to my lifestyle. It is simply perfect. I really think I could stay here for a very long time. I would refer you Minimalist as your ideal, friendly interior designer.